Guys, this is Jessica Simpson with Lola Loops and Stitches, hoping you learn faster in the crochet world. In this channel, I offer tutorials, reviews, and many more. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to click the bell button right next to it so you don't miss anything. And at any point in this video, check out notes and links in the description below where I added some links and bonuses. Now let's get started. For demonstration purposes, all I'm using in this video is a Susan Bates crochet hook, 5mm, and some spare lightweight yarn. If you ever been confused about how to make a slip knot, no worries. I am here to help you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make a perfect slip knot to start many of your projects. Whether you're crocheting or knitting, the slip knot is the same. As I mentioned before, the way you make a slip knot, it works for crochet or knitting, either way, okay? In this case, I'm going to demonstrate with my crochet hook because that's what I do, but you can also use this strategy to create a slip knot for hooks, okay? I'm sorry, for knitting, either way. So I place my yarn this way, I twist it like this, making an arch. I insert my index finger in the arch, I hold it, I twist, I insert my thumb, and then I reach to one of the strands and pull, okay? That's how easy it is. And I'm going to do it again without talking. Okay, now I'm inserting my hook in this case, and I'm tightening, and this is my slip knot, okay? If you need to learn more basic skill for crochet, I added below the description some videos for you to learn how to hold your crochet hook, how to hold your yarn, and many more. Okay, hope this helped, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button for future notifications and future videos, of course. And don't forget as well to make a comment or feedback. Your feedback, it will be greatly appreciated. Thank you and see you next time. Check notes below the description for more. Don't forget to like and share this video. Your comment will be highly appreciated. Follow Lola Loops and Stitches on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.